This is the beginning. You unfold the damn thing. I cut it at a steep angle because I have such a long history of cutting too much that I've learned how not to cut too much, which is give yourself the most humanly possible. So I start over here and I just cut it diagonally, and then we'll cut it back down from there, which gives me a straight edge here. Bam, there's our first hole. So our hole is there. We want pressure exerting outwards. So I come way back in here, you know, about a hand length. There's no reason to go anywhere but right up at the top. And with our folded over part now, it's doubled and it's strung. And I just put a couple of straps preemptively. All right, now where I drew my little cross, I'm just putting that here. Look at that. And I'm saying that's where I want my cover. This is one of those things that's kind of important to try to get right. You know, some of it, it's whatever you think. This, like, try to get the shape right. All right, now take a look. Ha! All of that just to get that. Now I'm gonna get out of the boat. I'm gonna go around. I'm gonna show you how to do the backside. Don't forget, watch our long video and you can see the whole thing in real life.